Hi, fame folks. Welcome to Kishmal page. I am back for the bag, so stay tuned because I never lag. Yeah. Very good morning to every one of y'all. And I'm just taking a walk in the bush, in nature. So yeah, it's my daily routine. I just keep my mind fresh. So I do this maybe once a week, just to keep me ahead of the week and stay focused along the week. So yeah, let's just take a walk and chat, a little bit chat. So yeah, this week I don't know what I'll be doing. I don't know what I'll be doing, but something will come up and I'll do whatever that comes up. And yeah, as I am working in this bush, I feel like there's initiation school. So I feel like there's people over there. Yeah. I don't know if you guys know initiation school. It's like a tradition in culture in SA anyway. So yeah, right now I'm just taking a walk for like 10 minutes or a few minutes. I'm not gonna take too much of a walk because I gotta go back to my homestead and start doing something. And yeah, what I wanted to say is, I feel like when I'm when I'm up there, like when I'm already up there, for people who gonna watch me when I'm already up there, I think this is a reference video to just show y'all that hey, I come from far and I come from bottom and now I'm up here. So this is a reference video, and I just wanted to say, like, I feel like when I'm up there, bro, people gonna be like I'm bragging or I'm just like I'm different or I'm somehow, they're gonna feel offended. I feel like, cause right now I know it's not too much of a luxury type thing or too much of a quality. Whatever you prefer right now is not what you want from this channel yet, but I promise you that I will eventually get there, you know. And I was so inspired, so I just want to inspire you. Like, look, guys, you see what I'm doing. I'm still starting off bad. I'm starting off low, and like, if you see this, get inspired. Cause for one, I didn't even think I would do this. Like, I never thought I would be happy to be in a Canva talking to you guys, fame folks, and being happy to like to say my introduction. And I didn't even plan my introduction. Let me tell you that I did not even plan my introduction, and it just came, and I was like, "Hi, fame folks, welcome back." No, I said, "Hi, fame folks, I am back for the bag and what's till the end because I never lag. But hey, make sure to subscribe because hey, this intro, it ain't for free, boy. It ain't for free, girl." So yeah, um, I am also excited. I am also excited to take you all to my village. I mean, my grandma village where she grew up from. Can you hear that sound? I don't know if you can hear that sound. It's coming from that way. Maybe it's bird or it's some animals. I don't know. But if they come to attack me anyway, I'ma just hop on this tree. Yeah, there's trees over here. So I'ma just hop on them. Yeah, yeah, anyway, let's get into this one. So I was saying, like, I am excited to see my grandma village and to show you my grandma village where she come from. It's like my roots to me. It's a roots to me, and it's a history, and I want to share that with you guys. And also it's gonna be like a history in the making in generation to come, and see where my grandma and myself, like, we originate from, right? And I'm excited to show you guys. There's some goats. We have goats there, And yeah, we don't have cows. They died because of hunger. Yeah, there was not too much food over there. So yeah, you're gonna see it. So let me not just dig too much and just show you or just tell you what I'll be doing this week. So this week I think I'll be cleaning my homestead, and I think I'll renovate the toilet next week. So stay tuned and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell so you get notified. And then when I drop my project of fixing or renovating the toilet, and yeah, that's that. Hey, I don't know if y'all can hear that sound from that way. But anyway, what I wanted to say is, when I put on my camera, I start to fumble and I forget what I wanted to say. But I think I'll fix that problem soon. Soon I'll get myself used to camera, turn to camera. So yeah, I'ma just head back right now. I'ma just head. Hey, look at the moon. It is still up there at this time around. It's around 8. Yeah, in the morning. Back fame folks. Right now we are at the homestead. So I'll be trimming the grass, and yeah, I'll be working in my garden patch. So and cleaning the yard. So that's that. Let's get into it. Yeah, Bonal. Eh. Eh. Okay. I mean this orange with the plastic, so it can survive winter. Um, I'm making holes in this plastic. I don't know if this will work, so we will see as time goes on. I'm just making the holes in this plastic. Like, yeah, you see, there's holes now. Let me just show you. I put it holes in it. I'm using the bread plastic, so yeah, I don't have the real plastic, the right plastic. Sabona, like, yeah, it's fine. But it's too. Morning, guys. I just woke up and I decided to come back to nature. And yeah, a few days I've been off track. Yeah, there's something that I'm dealing with. I can't even share. And yeah, it's so hard for me to quit the thing that I've been doing that is bad for me. And I didn't even think I would continue vlogging and finish off the vlog and whatnot. Let me just sit over here. And but then something just pushed me to just keep on going on when there is no support, when there is no one watching, when like hope is so far fetched. And yeah, I really I really appreciate like the thing that I have and to be able to do this. And yeah, I've been down like few days, two past days. And yeah, I'm working on it. And it's not nice, it's not easy. And yeah, it's difficult when I'm doing this all by myself and I'm going through my own stuff. And yeah, and I don't and I'm not working, having to provide this addiction, being alone. Yeah, it's a lot. And it just like I'm taking it all by myself and all sober. And yeah, it's so hard for me to just keep on going and going and going, but I always believe that I am strong. Like, yeah, I always believe that I am strong, and whatever obstacle comes at me, I'ma just handle it and grow out of it and learn from it also. I feel like everything happens for a reason, so maybe I need to learn what is going on right now. Yeah, sometimes I be thinking about the future, and like I be like I be like I gotta do this, do that, do this, do that. And the future is like, okay, I'm talking about the future as a dream, right? My dream. And it's like so much, it's too much, it's too big that I dream too big that sometimes I question myself if I can do that. And the bottom line is that yes, I can, but the the mind, how it works. Sometimes you think, how are you gonna get there? And that's the problem. That's the problem. I've been thinking, how am I gonna get there? Maybe I know I follow God. I am aligning with my higher self, with the universe. But at the very same time, it's like the mind, the mind is the one that keeps on thinking, how will you get there? How will you make it? The dream that you're dreaming is too big, is too huge. You don't even have money right now yet. And it's like, it's so hard. But I would like to believe that someday there will be a turning point. I would like to believe and I have hope that something will come up eventually if I keep on working on small steps, keep on pushing every day, being consistent. Something will come up. And inspiration for that, it comes from basketball. I remember when I was playing basketball, when I was starting out, it was like I was learning stuff that I didn't even see from the TV. From I was just learning stuff from people, and I kept on practicing that things. And I was like practicing every single day. Every time they give me a ball, when I go back home with a ball, I would practice at home, practice, do the same thing over and over and over again. But eventually, that thing paid off, and they call me Superfly at basketball because I'm fly, I'm super, and yeah, I'm the best. And the reason being is because the thing I was doing behind the scenes, the people when they see me play basketball, they assume I just got it like in a split of seconds, in a blink of an eye. But it ain't like that. It ain't that. And I was consistent, so I would like to believe that that testimony, I would like to take it to this new journey that I'm taking, this New Testament. And I would like to believe that if I keep on going on and on, I would eventually get there. And yeah, I know it's so hard. And every day, social media, I go to social media, watch people, instant gratification. You just swipe, you see success. You swipe, you see success. Somebody got a car, somebody got a house, cottage, somebody is living the best life. And it kind of tricks your mind that, oh, you gotta get this now, but eventually you don't know the story behind. You don't know the hardship that they had before the glamorous life, the flourish life, the successful, all of that they display on Instagram, on YouTube, on social media actually. And yeah, I think I want to like quit this social media. Maybe I would do it if only I upload something that will benefit someone out there, help someone out there, grow themselves as well. So yeah, that's that. So I'm gonna finish off this video like this. I'm not gonna do too much today. And thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe, share this video, and you know what I do. I always do the best. And yeah, thank you for watching. It's Kishmael Page. Peace.